Hello children. So let's start with our English subject. Lesson number 6. The warrior who brought glory. Children, warrior means a great soldier. One of the great warrior whom we are going to learn is Sam Manekshaw. Children, you might have heard about many people who brought name and fame to the nation, like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, and many others. Let us learn about one of the great soldier, the great warrior, Sam Manekshaw. Read the first paragraph. India has been the land of many rivers and legends, where people with different cultures, traditions, and beliefs live together. This vast country, with many different religions, languages, has seen many wars and battles. It has a glorious past. Great writers, patriots, and courageous men and women have worked for the country. One such courageous man is Sam Manekshaw, the great warrior. Children, we all know India is a vast country. Here we all live like brothers and sisters. Here we respect other religions and languages. We know that kings ruled our country and how they saved our country from British rule. They sacrificed their life for the betterment of our country and to save the culture of our nation. So among them, one of the soldier was Sam Manekshaw. Sam Harmudji Premji Jamshedji Manekshaw, or Sam Manekshaw as he is better known, was born in Amritsar on 3rd April 1914. Even as a child, he displayed his ambition to join the army. Out from Sherwood College in Nainital, after completing his class 11 senior Cambridge, Manekshaw appeared for the army entrance examination in 1932. There were 1200 applicants along with him for 15 vacancies. He was not sure if he could make it. However, he was successful. In 1934, he passed out from the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun. Sam Manekshaw was born on 3rd April 1914. From his childhood, his ambition was to become a soldier. Children all will have some desire to become something when they grow, like doctors, engineers, scientists, to join military force, etc. In the same way, Sam Manekshaw wanted to become an army officer. He passed out his 11th standard from Sherwood College in Nainital. He appeared for army entrance examination in 1932. 1200 students appeared for examinations, but only 15 seats were there, and in that 15 seats, Sam Manekshaw got selected, and in 1934 he passed out from Indian Military Academy, in short we say IMA, from Dehradun. Manekshaw took part in World War II. He was defending Burma against the Japanese attack. History has recorded some of his memorable experiences. One day, as he moved forward with his men against the Japanese army, he got shot by a Japanese soldier, which seriously wounded him. Major General David Cowan thought that Manekshaw would lose his life, and he immediately pinned his own military cross ribbon on Manekshaw, saying, "A dead person cannot be awarded a military cross." Manekshaw took part in World War II. He was supporting Burma against the Japanese army. In that war, he got shot by one of the Japanese soldiers and was seriously wounded means got injured in the war and was very serious. Major General David Cowan, who was in charge of that army, thought that Manekshaw will lose his life, means he may die in the battlefield. So he pinned his own military cross ribbon on Manekshaw's uniform and said, "A dead person cannot be awarded a military cross," to honor him before he died. This incident shows that how Manekshaw had the unique distinction of having got honored for his bravery on the battlefield itself. To everyone's surprise, Manekshaw soon recovered from his injury, not to rest, but to take more active part in challenging battles and to shoulder responsible assignments. In all these, Manekshaw was highly successful and victorious. Manekshaw was very cordial with his fellow soldiers. He was so warm and kind-hearted that the warriors in the Gurkha regiment would compose and sing songs in praise of his humanness. His superiors too had an appreciation for his service and sense of duty, devotion, and commitment. General Sir Roy Butcher, the British Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, described Sam Manekshaw as the very best staff officer he ever had. Sam Manekshaw was honored in the battlefield itself. Major General David Cowan honored him with his own ribbon and pinned on the uniform of the Sam Manekshaw. To everyone's surprise, he recovered very soon. After his recovering, he did not take rest. He took all challenges with great spirit and dedication. Though he was a great soldier, he was very friendly with everybody in his regiment. Regiment means a group of people, a unit. He was very kind and warm-hearted and a good person. All the soldiers composed in praise of Manekshaw about his bravery and kindness. His seniors used to appreciate him for his contribution to the nation and dedication towards his duty. What was his duty is to defending the country, and as a soldier he did his duty very bravely. During those days, Britishers were ruling our country. General Sir Roy Butcher, the British Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army, said that Sir Manekshaw was the very best staff officer he ever had in his army force. In June 1969, he succeeded General Kumaramangalam as the 8th Chief of the Army Staff. As a commander, he served the nation with dedication, and within 2 years of his promotion to this highest rank, he had to lead the Indian Army to confront the designs of the neighboring Pakistan in 1971. The entire nation stood united to salute its illustrious and brave children. In recognition of his service to the nation, he was conferred with a lot of titles, honors, and was awarded many medals. These includes Padma Vibhushan in 1972 and the title Field Marshal in 1973. Retiring from service in 1973, Manekshaw settled in Kunnur in Nilgiris. His contribution to the nation continued till his death in June 2008 at the military hospital in Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. In June 1969, he was succeeded as 8th Chief Army Staff. When there was a war against Pakistan in 1971, he faced the battle because he was the army general. So he took the challenge and faced bravely. He fought many battles. He was given many awards, medals, and titles like Padma Vibhushan in 1972, title of Field Marshal in 1973. After his retirement in 1973, he settled in Kannur in Nilgiris. He continued his service until his death in June 2008 at Military Hospital in Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. A man known for his distinguished service, untiring selfless struggle, he felt that there should be no reason to stop working until one has to. Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw is a war hero. It is certain that he will dwell in the hearts of millions of Indians because he made the nation proud by his dedicated service. A man who is known for his excellent service, about his kindness, about not becoming selfish, he always has selfless struggle, dedicated his life to the nation was Sam Manekshaw. He never stopped his service to the nation until his death. So people will always remember and feel proud of Sam Manekshaw. Children, today you have learnt about one of the great soldiers, Sam Manekshaw, his childhood, his ambition to become army officer, his education, his dedication towards our nation, his bravery and his awards and achievements. I hope now you understood who was the warrior who brought glory to our nation is Sam Manekshaw. Thank you.